হাই ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম টু ইজি ইংলিশ। আমরা আগের 3 এপিসোডে ফ্যামিলি সম্পর্কিত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ওয়ার্ডস, ফ্রেজেস এবং এক্সপ্রেশনস শিখেছি। এই এপিসোড এবং এর পরের এপিসোডে আমরা ফ্যামিলি সম্পর্কিত 2টি কনভারসেশন দেখব। প্রথম এপিসোড একটি নিউক্লিয়ার ফ্যামিলির মেম্বারদের মধ্যে কনভারসেশন নিয়ে, এবং এর পরের এপিসোড একটি এক্সটেন্ডেড ফ্যামিলির মেম্বারদের মধ্যে কনভারসেশন সম্পর্কিত। সো এপিসোডগুলো দেখুন এবং আগের এপিসোডগুলোতে শেখা ওয়ার্ডস, ফ্রেজেস এবং এক্সপ্রেশনসগুলোর প্র্যাকটিক্যাল ইউজ লক্ষ্য করুন।
Hi Obi, how's it going?
Fine, thanks, and you? Pretty good. Hey Ovi, we have been studying together for several months, but I know nothing about your family. Can you introduce me to your family?
Sure. Let's visit my home and I'll introduce you to my family.
Great. So, when are we going to your house?
This afternoon, after class.
Okay.
Welcome to our home, Neil. I come from a nuclear family. This is our family photo. We are 4 members in our family. This is my father, this is my mother, this is my little sister, and it's me.
You have a beautiful family.
Thanks, Nil.
What does your father do?
He is a banker.
And your mother?
She is a housewife.
What about your sister?
She is a student in the 1st grade.
Nice. Where are they now?
Well, my father is at the office. Oh, it's time for his return. I think he already came back. Hi, Dad.
Hello. Who is he?
He is my friend Nil.
Nice to meet you, Nil.
Nice to meet you too, Uncle.
Okay, so, both of you play now. I go have a shower.
Okay, Dad.
See you later, Nil.
See you, Uncle. Where is your mom, Ovi?
She is cooking. Let's go to see what my mom is cooking.
Okay.
Hi, Mom.
Hello. Who's he?
He is my friend Neil. We study in the same class.
Hello, Neil. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you, Aunt?
I'm fine, thanks. Both of you sit in the living room. I'll get you some snacks.
Okay, Mom.
Why don't I see your sister, Ovi?
I think she is feeding the cat. Hi, Annie. Meet my friend Neil.
Hi Neil. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Annie, Mom is getting us some snacks. Come after feeding the cat.
Okay, I'm coming.